students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, the absolute maximum value of the function f of x is equals to x cube, where x belongs to close bracket -2 to 2 is. Our options are -2, 2, 0 or 8. So we are supposed to find maximum value for a function f of x is equals to x cube. First thing what we'll do, we are supposed to find the points of maxima and minima. So what we'll do, f dash of x, will first find the differentiation of this function, which is 3x square. Now since 3 is a positive number and x square is a square of any number, will be always positive. So f dash of x is always positive. It is always positive means the function, if f dash of x is always positive, means f of x is always increasing. See, this kind of increasing function, if you know, increasing function can be like this, can be like this, or can be like this, right? So if you will see slope on all this kind of increasing function, it is always positive. At any point, if you will draw a tangent, you will find a slope, and it is an acute angle. At any point, you will draw a tangent and it will form a acute angle, means slope at every point is positive for increasing function. So if slope, f dash of x represents slope, so if slope is always positive, means f of x will be increasing function. Now for an increasing function, for let's take this as an example. For an increasing function, you will get a maximum output for a maximum input. If I'll put maximum output, I'll get a maximum input, correct? If I'll put bigger value, I'll get a bigger value, correct? Here also, if I'll put a bigger value, I'll get a bigger value. As big value I'll put, as big value I will get. So bigger input will give a bigger output. So maximum input that we can put in this function, since domain is from -2 to 2, so the maximum value of input that I can put is 2. So maximum output I will get when after putting 2 into the function. So f of 2 will be our maximum value. So it will be 2 cube, which is equals to 8. So our maximum value, absolute maximum value will be 8. Our option D is the correct option. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.